I'll show you an easy fix to clear these warning lights after replacing the battery, with info on the battery size and what to do after installation. The battery you see here was used as a temporary solution, so it's not what you'll find in yours, but removal is still the same. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Then there's just one bracket down here at the base of the battery to remove. If yours came with one of these insulating sleeves, best to pop that on first. It's designed for this specific size battery, so I'll share some info on it a bit later. For now, start by installing the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then fit the positive terminal first and use a screwdriver to extend the clamp rather than slamming it on, to prevent damage to the lead post and possible internal damage to the battery. It's recommended to fit an enhanced flooded battery or even better an AGM, but these dimensions and electrical characteristics correspond to the original battery. You'll need to set the steering angle sensor on startup to clear the stability control warning by turning the steering wheel fully to the one side and fully to the other side. This vehicle had a parking brake error prior to installation, so you shouldn't have that problem. If your one-touch windows don't work, press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one-touch window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.